Hey guys, Steve here. Just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of how to use your float function when you're plowing and how to avoid tripping your bucket. A few things like that, but let's get started. Hey guys, I want to speak a little bit about what I'm doing here. I got a skidder running down the road next to me, so it's a little noisy. Okay guys, so here's the deal. A lot of tractors, four-wheel drive tractors especially, compacts and subcompacts, have joystick, and its function is to move the bucket left to right, up, down, and tilt forward and tilt back. And so if I were to release the hydraulic pressure and drop that blade, you'd see it drop like you did. There's two things about it though. If you press forward, you'll feel like a stop right here. That's telling it to keep on going down and dig. So if you've got a bucket on, for example, instead of the plow, I mean, you're going to start digging down into the soil. Not good when you got a plow on. So what I'm doing is I'm floating that blade on the pads. And if the pads are off, I'm floating the blade on a hard surface, for example, the cutting edge. The way that works is you come to that detente almost and go forward again. What that does is it releases pressure, so the bucket, or in this case the plow, is riding on the surface and it's actually moving up and down with the surface. So when I get into like grassy areas, I'm floating that blade because the last thing I want to do is dig up my lawn. So that's one. We're going to do a little more pushing back here. We had a blizzard and I never really completed the driveway work, so I'm going to give you a bird's head view on top of the rollover protection, and you'll see the blade in action. This is the control that I've been talking about, and really basically this is float position, this is down, this is up. So we're going to put this down on its pads, put it in gear, and we're just going to float our way over the lawn. So here we go. Pushing down, so it's floating. Oh, got a little hard ice edge there. Let's get over that. Okay. Okay, so we took a bite. Now I'm going to push down and try to break that edge a little bit. Floating. And coming back. Let's turn that blade down just a little more. There we go. A lot of times it's hard to get that first punch through, and after that, everything's easy. You take small bites. So let's go to the right side over here and see if we can't get a little easier here. Nice. just take the edge away over here. Now this is hardened up since the storm. You can see it. So the ice is kind of formed in it. So I'm just going to try to take a half a blade width. That's the first pass. Now let's clean it up. We'll get the rest of it. Again, I'm in float. Now I'm picking up, pushing it back. The beauty of that is I'm not tearing up my lawn. So again, you know, I've got a hard packed bank here. There we go. I think you guys get the gist of it. I'll try. Nope. Pretty guys, so you can see we're just cleaning up. Creating snow storage. We had one year here in Maine that we had 13.5 feet in my town. So you can never have enough. You always want to be pushing it back for the next storm. We'll probably do for another blizzard, but okay, so in a nutshell, that's it. Hope that you got something out of this, you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and like, and have a good day.